Follow the blue footprints. Look at the door.
This is Hunter's room. You ready to go in there? All right. Open the door.
I was missing it.
What do you think?
Good.
You like your room?
Yeah.
Oh, it got dark. I can't see anything.
This is all your room. Is it cool?
Okay, hang out in here. We're going to call Evan up.
Let's go, buddy. Green ones. Oh, these are the one I thought would step on them all. See that? Devin's room.
Whoa.
Who do you think?
I love it.
You love it?
Oh, a glow.
Touch it. Touch the bottom.
Touch it again.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah?
I like that.
You like it?